Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve day 18 problem on LeetCode. If you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So in this problem, you are climbing a staircase and it takes n steps to reach the top, and each time you can either climb one or two steps. In how many distinct ways can you climb to the top? Okay. So input n is equal to 2 given to us and the output is 2, and there are two ways to climb to the top. Okay, so one way is either we take first step and then again one step, then this is one way, or we can directly take two steps. This is the second way. Okay, so in total we have total two ways. So here let's understand first, if there is only a single staircase. If there is only a single staircase, this is the only staircase, then how many ways we can go to the top of this staircase? There is only one way, right? We can only take one step. We can't take two steps, right? We are only going to take one step to reach to the top when top is 1. So for 1, okay, so for 1 we are taking just one step. Okay, now let's say we have two staircases. So to climb to the top of two staircase, how many ways? So we can take one step first here, then we can take one step. Okay, so this is the one way, right? Or we can simply take two steps. That is the second way. Okay, so there are two ways given to us. Either you can climb one or two steps. So first one step, then this is the one way, or we can directly take two steps, okay, to reach the top. We can skip one stair. So this is the second way. So in total, when the top is 2, then there are total two ways. Okay, now let's say that n is equal to 3 in this example. When n is equal to 3, so in this case, how many ways we can go to the top? So we can take one by one step first. First step here, second step to this second staircase, and then third step here. So this is one way. Okay, or we can take first step here, then we can directly take two steps to reach to the top. So this is the second way. Or we can directly take two steps first and then single step. So this is the third way. So for 3, when the top is 3, then how many ways we can climb to the top? Total 3 ways. Okay, now let's say when our n is equal to 4. Okay, so let's say when our n is equal to 4, this 4. Okay, so here how many ways we can climb to the top when top is 4? So one by one, first here, then second here, one by one we are going to the top. And top is 4. So this is one way. Okay, or I can directly take two steps here, then again two steps here, then I also reach to the top. Okay, then this is second way. Or I can take one step here to the 1, then two steps here, then 1 again. This is the third way. Or I can directly take two steps, then one step, then again one step. So this is the fourth way. Or I can take one step, again one step, and then again two steps now. So this is the fifth way. So how many ways? So here when n is equal to 4, then total ways are 5. How? So see, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is one way. Okay, second way is 1 plus 2 plus 1, so this is also 4, right? Or we can take like this, 2 plus 2, this is also 4. Or we can do like this, 2 plus 1 plus 1. Or we can do like this, 1 plus 1 plus 2. Okay, So how many ways total? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so these are the 5 ways. First way, second way, third way, fourth way, and fifth way. Okay, so everywhere you see total sum is 4 only, so we are climbing to the top only. Okay, yes, so when top is at 4, then total steps we are taking 5. Okay, now here you see one logic here. So first this 1, then for 2 it's 2, then for 3 I see that it is a sum of this one and this 2. When I add this one with this 2, then it becomes 3, right? 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Then this 5 is the sum of this and this. Okay, so it is acting like a Fibonacci series. So what is Fibonacci series? So in Fibonacci series, the term C is equal to term A plus term B. Okay, so let's say this is a series A, B term, then C term, then D term. So this C is going to be the sum of previous two values. Okay, so here for 1, when there is a single step, one way. Then when the number of when the top is 2, then total 2 ways. When the top is 3, then there are 3 ways to climb to the top. Okay, total 3 ways. So 3 or 1 plus 2 is also equal to 3. So when n is equal to 4, we see that there are 5 ways. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, right? 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 only. Okay, so these are the terms. So I hope that you are clear with this logic. A, B, C, D. So term C is equal to term A plus term B. Term D is equal to term B plus term C. In this way, now for n is equal to 5, then there are total 8 ways. Then n is equal to 6, there are total 13 ways. So this is how it is working. Okay, E, F. So this is acting like a Fibonacci series. So this is a very simple question of Fibonacci. So now let's write the code. So for when input is n is equal to 1 or n is equal to 2, so what is our output? When our n is equal to 1, then we are returning 1. When our n is equal to 2, then we are returning 2. So I can simply say that I can simply return the n value whenever it is 1 or 2. Okay, so I can write like this: if the value of n is less than equal to 2, in that case we are just going to return n. That's it. Okay, so if my n is equal to 1, then I am going to return 1. If my n is equal to 2, then I am again going to return n, that is 2, right? So now for the create one here. This is previous term A, previous term B. So this TC is equal to TA, TB. So let's take, there are total 2 previous terms. So let's take create 2 integer variables, int priv1. Okay, and int priv1 just pass the value as 1. Okay, this one, it is 1 only, and priv2 value is 2. Okay, for 3 this is going to be like this only. Int priv2 is going to be 2. Okay, priv1 is this one, priv2 is equal to this one, then this term is the sum of previous 2, right? So int priv1 is equal to this, priv2 is equal to this, then run one loop, simple loop. For int I is equal to 3, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. Okay, and here inside that create one variable int current, and this current is going to store the value of priv1 plus priv2. Okay, so here third term, for the third term I updated this as 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. This is priv1, this is priv2. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to update priv1. Our priv1 becomes priv2. I have updated the value of priv2, and I have updated the value of priv2 to the current. Now in the end we are just going to return priv. So let me pick this code. Okay, so see here, prev1 is 1, okay, prev2 is 2, okay, for int I is equal to 3, this I run one loop. Now current is updated to this C value. This C value is this current. Okay, now prev1 is updated to prev2. So what is our prev1? Prev1 is this, so this becomes prev2. No, see here, prev1 carries the value of prev2, so prev2 is 2, so this becomes my prev1, okay, and this prev2 becomes my current, so this is prev2 for the next iteration. Okay, prev1 becomes this prev2. Okay, so 1 second, let me copy it here. Okay, see here what is happening. Prev1 is this one, and then prev2 is equal to 2. I run one loop, current is equal to prev1 plus, this is my prev1, this is prev2, and my current becomes 3. Okay, current is equal to prev1 plus prev2. I add these two, so this is going to become my current. So I store the value of current here. Now in the next loop, in the next here we are updating prev1 as prev2. So prev2 is this one, so now this becomes my p1, prev2 becomes my current, so I pass the value of current to prev2, so this becomes my p2. Okay, so in the next iteration when I is equal to 4, in that case I am going to add these two value p1 plus p2. Current is equal to p1 plus p2, then my current becomes this one, and again p1 is going to update to this 3, p2 is going to update to this one. Okay, so in this way in the end I am just going to return what? Prev2. This is prev2. I am going to return the prev2. Okay, so for this n is equal to 3, what was the last value of prev2? p2, this one. For n is equal to 4, what is the value of last p2? Is equal to 5. Okay, so here I return this prev2. Now let's run it and see if there is any issue with the code or not. So all the test cases has been passed. Now let's submit it. So our solution is accepted and it beats 100% of users with Java. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any question, then please feel free to ask in comment section. And please like this video, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Thank you. Bye bye.